to help deliver a letter to Bank of America stating that we would like to see some changes in some of their policies, particularly about payday lending, about support of the private prison system, and also about not paying their fair share of taxes after they've taken a bailout and gotten money from U.S. taxpayers. I really object to the way the big corporations are treating their customers, and I think it's criminal, and I would like to see some changes.
Hi, I'm Tina Washington. I live here in Charlottesville, Virginia, and I'm here down here talking about Bank of America and the Bank of America policies and stuff against the clients and residents of Charlottesville and the interest rates and the other problems we're having with Bank of America. And I think that things need to be changed. The policies and everything needs to be changed that they're having in their bank business, unless they're going to lose a lot of business from the Charlottesville resident people. And if they can do a real good change in their policy, it would be nice. Thank you.
Thanks.
So just talk to me in general. What are you doing here today?
Today we're taking part in a nationwide event where at 100 locations people are going into big banks and other big corporations and giving them a letter explaining what we feel is wrong with their practices in terms of their financing predatory lending, financing the private prison industry, and maybe more than anything else, not paying their fair share of taxes. And we are telling them that we'd like to see these things change. We're telling them that we're going to show up at their stockholders meetings in the spring to make this point a little closer to home. And we're urging everyone to take their money out of the big banks and move it to local credit unions and local banks.
And so you kind of referenced this, but if you can again just say what's your ultimate goal in delivering the letter? What do you hope to get out of it?
We're hoping that there can be some change in policies from the top of these big corporations, and so many of them got bailed out using our money, and they haven't used that bailout to help the people that pay their taxes to get the bailout money.
And so once the letter's delivered and they have their meeting next month, is it?
I think it's later in the spring.
Okay. What are the next steps from here?
Well, I think it'll depend some on what the reaction is. We're going to keep pushing about this and see if we can't do something about, and the whole concept of corporations being treated as people and having the same kind of say that we as individuals do, and the increasing spread in income between the really rich and middle class poor people. There are a lot of areas to attack this, and we're just going to keep on pushing.
Anything else I'm missing or anything else you want to add?
Don't think so.
That's about it.
Great, thank you. To deliver our letter to go to the CEO of Bank of America. We did speak to the manager here, but he would not accept our letter, so we put it in the mail, which is exactly what we're doing.